Hello, and welcome to a video walkthrough of the Cal State Long Beach schedule of classes. We're glad you're here. Use this visual guide to understand how to navigate the schedule of classes in MyCSULB Student Center, understand the different modes of instruction, discover requisites and requirements, and see how to register for classes. Remember, before you prepare to enroll, check if you have any holds on your record. Having a hold on your record could mean that you haven't met an important university requirement, which could potentially prevent you from registering for classes. You can check if you have a hold on your record that will prevent registration in MyCSULB Student Center under Holds. Once you're in MyCSULB, select the hold title for more information, including how to remove the hold. Let's review the different modes of class instruction at CSULB. We offer face-to-face classes, which may be on campus or off campus at a community site, hybrid, where your class meets face-to-face sometimes and online at other times, HyFlex, where you can choose to enroll in a class face-to-face or online, but all students will still meet during the same class time, or completely online. Alright, let's take a look at the schedule of classes together. First, you'll need to log in to Single Sign-On, and then go to MyCSULB Student Center. In the Academics section, select Search. First, make sure that you're searching for classes in the right term. If you need to change terms, use the drop-down menu before you begin your search. You can search for classes several different ways. For example, if you already know the exact course you want to enroll in, then you can enter the subject and the course number. Then, you'll be able to browse available classes to pick the specific day and time you want to enroll in. You can also search more generally. For example, you can search for all English undergraduate classes numbered 300 and above by selecting the subject, then, for course number, select greater than or equal to and enter 300, and then select the course career, undergraduate. This will let you browse all upper division undergraduate English classes for the term. Under the additional search criteria, which are optional, you can search for more specific options such as class days and times. To see all classes, not just those that have space available, you can uncheck the box for Show Open Classes Only. When you're ready, select the Search button. Once it loads, all classes that match your search criteria will be listed. Classes are grouped by course number. Each class will include its days and times, room, instructor, and status. The status lets you know if there are seats available, which is indicated by a green dot, if the class is closed, indicated by a blue square, or if there's a waitlist available that you can sign up for, which is indicated by a yellow triangle. Select the 4 or 5-digit class number on the far left for more information about the class. On this page, you'll be able to find the instruction mode, requirements to enroll in the class such as prerequisites, and the class description. You can also find out how many seats are available in the class or on the waitlist. If you want to enroll in this class, take note of the class number, which you'll use to search for the class when it's time to enroll. To go back to your search results, select the View Search Results button at the bottom of the page. When you're done, you can start a new search or edit your search criteria by selecting Modify Search. When you're ready to enroll, you'll go to the Enroll tab in your Student Center to add the classes to your schedule. You can also browse class offerings by going to the Schedule of Classes website. Be sure to visit csulb.edu/schedule regularly for information about registration requirements for the term. This page also includes info about modes of instruction and registration deadlines. If you have any questions, you can visit the Enrollment Services website to ask LB and get immediate answers 24/7 via chat. If you have specific questions, you may also submit a contact ticket or make an appointment at Beach Central by joining the queue. Thanks for watching, and go Beach!